Welcome to my channel.
How to set up SETEK Wi-Fi extender in minutes. 1. Plug in the extender. Plug the SETEK Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. 2. Power on the device. Wait until the power LED turns solid, showing the extender is ready for setup. 3. Open Wi-Fi settings. On your phone, laptop, or computer, open the Wi-Fi settings. 4. Connect to SETEK network. Connect to the Wi-Fi network named SETEK_X or SETEK_2G, 5G. 5. Open the setup page. Open a web browser and type 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. 6. Start setup mode. Choose repeater mode or range extender mode and click Next. 7. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the available list, select your home Wi-Fi network. 8. Enter Wi-Fi password. Enter your existing Wi-Fi password and confirm it. 9. Save and connect. Click Apply or Save and wait for the extender to reboot. 10. Place the extender properly. Move the extender to a location between your router and weak signal area.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.